Is it a good one?
Yeah. He was smoking dragon.
Was he?
Yes.
Not now, he's not. Woo. Damn, he nailed that shit. That's a good fish. Seemed like. Wow, that got my heart going. Is he pulling? Easy, easy, easy. There's that weight dragging on the bottom. Let him fight. He'll get tired. Oh, my bait rod's getting nailed. Go get it. That might be you. I think you're snagged in my bait rod. Yeah, it's all right. You still got him on there?
I think so, yeah.
Ooh. Jeez, boy. Get him up there. Bro,